Hey everyone, and welcome back to Future Math Lab. Have you ever wondered if math could help you get more pizza? Well, today is your lucky day. We're going to solve the ultimate puzzle, the pizza party problem. Imagine this. You've just ordered a big delicious pizza and you're about to enjoy it all by yourself. It's the perfect plan. But then, your friends are at the door and they're all hungry. So what happens to your share of the pizza now? Let's start simple. Your best friends show up. So now there are two of you. You decide to be fair and split the pizza right down the middle. So two people share and each person gets one half of the pizza. Simple? Let's look at the math. Two people times one half of pizza each equals one whole pizza. But hold on, the doorbell rings again. Now two more friends have arrived. That makes a total of four people. So everyone gets one fourth or a quarter of the pizza. And what if even more friends show up? With eight people, everyone only gets a tiny 1/8 slice. Hmm. Do you see a pattern here? As the number of people increases, the amount of pizza each person gets decreases. This special relationship has the name in math, inverse proportionality. It's a fancy term, but the idea is simple. Think of it like a seesaw. When one side goes up, the other side has to go down. In our pizza party, the number of people is our x, and the pizza slices per person is our y. As x goes up, y goes down. And of course, there's a cool formula for this. It's y equals k over x. Or an even easier way to remember it is x times y equals k. So what is k? We can call it our magic number. It's a constant, which means it always stays the same. Let's check with our pizza party. Two people times one half a slice equals 1. Four people times one fourth of slice also equals 1. And 8 people times 1/8 of a slice, you guessed it, is 1. Our constant k is 1 because we always have one whole pizza to share. So what does this relationship look like on a graph? Let's plot the points. The x-axis is the number of people and the y-axis is the amount of pizza. As you can see, we get this cool looking curve that goes downwards. An interesting thing about this graph is that the curve gets super close to the axis, but it will never actually touch them. Why? Think about it. Can you have 0 people at a party? No. And can you invite so many people that you get literally 0 pizza? Not really. It just gets very small. Alright, let's do a quick recap of what we learned today. Inverse proportionality is when one value goes up, the other value goes down, just like our seesaw. The magic formula is y equals k over x. The graph is a smooth curve that never touches the axis. Now, to make sure you got it, here's a quick quiz for you. Imagine you're traveling 120 miles. Your speed and your travel time are inversely proportional. How long will it take if you travel at a speed of 60 miles per hour? Leave your answer in the comments below. I'll check them out. And that's it for our pizza party problem. I hope you now have a better understanding of what inverse proportionality is. Math can be found everywhere, even in a pizza box. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fun math videos. See you in the next one. Bye! Hey again and welcome to our bonus cookie video. In the main video we learned this simple rule. When one value increases, the other decreases in same ratio. But what if I told you that's not the whole story? Let's test this rule with a new equation y equals minus 24 over x, where k is a negative number. Check this out. As x increases from minus 6 to minus 4, the y value also increases from 4 to 6. Our first rule is broken. So is this not an inverse proportion? Surprise, it is. This means we need a better, more powerful definition. Here is the ultimate secret to inverse proportionality. It's not about increasing or decreasing, it's that the product of x and y is always constant. For our pizza party, the product was always 24. For our new graph, the product is always negative 24. This one single rule, x times y equals k, works for every inverse proportion. It's the master key. So, the increase and decrease rule is a great starting point, especially for real-world examples like our pizza party, but now you know the true master key, the product of x and y is always constant. Thanks so much for sticking around for this advanced cookie video. The real fun in math comes from asking why, just like you did today. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to subscribe for more and see you in the next time. Bye.